Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ADATA XPG XENIA 14 Lifestyle Ultrabook. So friend, ADATA XPG launches the XENIA 14 Lifestyle Ultrabook. And friend, this Ultrabook is 14-inch and lightweight and thin Ultrabook that offers the performance they need for work and play. And friend, this laptop comes with 11th generation Intel Core i7 or i5 processor with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, a full HD IPS display with 92% screen ratio, up to 10 hours of battery life and more. And friend, it is made from lightweight magnesium alloy. The XENIA 14 is an ultra portable device that user can take anywhere with ease. And friend, it is weighing at just 970 grams. And friend, it is easy to carry around by hand or in a bag. And friend, it is not only lightweight but thin too. It is only measuring just at 15 mm thin. And friend, this laptop is supported by a high-speed XPG PCIe Generation 4 solid-state drive and XPG DDR4 3200 MHz memory with an additional expansion slot. And friend, it features a wide array of I/O ports for hassle-free connectivity, including multiple USB Type-C ports with one equipped with Thunderbolt for both convenient charging and fast data transfer, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, 3.5mm audio combo jack, and HDMI 2.0B port are also provided. And friend, it can connect up to 3 external 4K monitors via HDMI and USB Type-C ports. And friend, this laptop provides up to 10-hour battery life for all-day productivity on the go and include a AC adapter to compact with 65-watt power output throughout the barrel jack. And friend, user can also top up their battery with either of two USB Type-C ports. And friend, it will comes with latest in connectivity with support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. And friend, Wi-Fi 6 allows router to communicate with more devices. And friend, Bluetooth 5.1 brings a new direction finding feature that allows XPG XENIA 14 to pinpoint the physical location of Bluetooth signals for increased stability. And friend, it can support Windows Hello can awake from sleep mode in just seconds thanks to face recognition via IR camera position above the display. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the XENIA 14 with Intel Core i7 processor will retail for $1,199.99 and with Intel Core i5 processor will retail for $1,099.99. And so friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.